Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 16.
Today, we're entering the B1 stage.
Yes, congratulations.
Now we speak more naturally.
And today's topic is small talk,
Small talk is when you talk about simple things.
like weather, weekends, or random life.
And today, I said something very strange in small talk.
Very strange.
I panicked.
That's why we need this episode. Imagine this. You meet someone in an elevator,
It's quiet, awkward,
and you want to say something friendly.
but your mind is empty.
So you say, I like potatoes.
That is not small talk.
Quick question. What do you say when you meet someone casually?
Think about it.
Today, you will learn how to do small talk in English.
You'll learn common conversation starters.
Words like by the way and actually.
And fun reactions like really and no way.
After this, you can sound friendly and natural. Why do you look stressed?
I had the worst small talk moment today.
Oh no, tell me everything.
I was in the office elevator.
Okay,
My colleague was there.
normal so far.
It was silent.
Awkward silence.
Yes, so I wanted to start small talk.
Good idea.
I said, guess what?
Nice. That's a good starter.
But then I had nothing.
No way.
Yes way.
So what did you say?
I said, guess what? I ate soup yesterday.
Really?
Yes, that was my big news.
That reminds me, you are terrible at small talk.
Actually, I'm trying.
Okay, what did your colleague say?
He said, sounds interesting.
That is polite English for help me.
Then I said, anyway, have a nice day.
That's not bad.
But then the elevator stopped.
And?
I panicked again.
Oh no.
I said, by the way, do you like potatoes?
Ben.
I know.
No way.
Yes way.
What did he say?
He said, I'm not sure.
Perfect answer.
So, how do normal people do small talk?
It's simple. Talk about weekends, weather, work.
Not potatoes.
Exactly.
Okay, practice with me.
Sure.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
I'm good. By the way, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was nice. I relaxed at home.
Really? Sounds interesting.
Thanks.
Anyway, see you later.
Great small talk, Ben.
I'm improving.
Now let's learn today's key small talk vocabulary. Phrase 1. By the way.
Meaning changing the topic slightly.
Example, by the way, how was your weekend?
Your turn. Say, by the way.
Word 2. Actually.
Meaning, in fact, to be honest.
Example, actually, I'm a little tired today.
Your turn. Say, actually.
Word 3. Anyway.
Meaning, moving on, changing direction.
Example, anyway, let's get back to work.
Your turn. Say, anyway.
Phrase 4. Guess what?
Meaning, introducing surprising news.
Example, guess what? I got a new job.
Your turn. Say, guess what?
Phrase 5. That reminds me.
Meaning something makes you remember something else.
Example, that reminds me I need to call my mom.
Your turn. Say, that reminds me.
Phrase 6. Really?
Meaning showing interest or surprise.
Example, really? That's great.
Your turn. Say, really?
Phrase 7. No way.
Meaning strong surprise.
Example, no way, you met a celebrity?
Your turn. Say, no way.
Phrase 8. Sounds interesting.
Meaning polite interest.
Example, oh, sounds interesting.
Your turn. Say, sounds interesting.
Phrase 9. I agree.
Meaning you have the same opinion.
Example, I agree. Coffee is the best.
Your turn. Say, I agree.
Phrase 10. I'm not sure.
Meaning you don't know or don't have an opinion.
Example, I'm not sure what to eat.
Your turn. Say, I'm not sure.
Today's grammar focus is using conversation starters and reactions.
We often start with, by the way,
Actually,
anyway,
5 examples. By the way, how was your day?
actually, I'm very busy today.
Anyway, let's talk later.
Guess what? I have news.
That reminds me, I need to study.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1. By the way, you like pizza?
Correction. By the way, do you like pizza?
Mistake 2. I agree you.
Correction. I agree with you.
Sentence 1. By the way, how was your weekend?
Slow. By the way, how was your weekend?
Medium. By the way, how was your weekend?
Natural. By the way, how was your weekend?
Sentence 2. Actually, I'm tired.
Slow. Actually, I'm tired.
Medium. Actually, I'm tired.
Natural. Actually, I'm tired.
Sentence 3. Guess what?
Slow. Guess what?
Medium. Guess what?
Natural. Guess what?
Sentence 4. No way.
Slow. No way.
Medium. No way.
Natural. No way.
Sentence 5. Sounds interesting.
Slow. Sounds interesting.
Medium. Sounds interesting.
Natural. Sounds interesting.
Sentence 6. I agree.
Slow. I agree.
Medium. I agree.
Natural. I agree.
Sentence 7. I'm not sure.
Slow. I'm not sure.
Medium. I'm not sure.
Natural. I'm not sure.
Sentence 8. Anyway, see you later.
Slow. Anyway, see you later.
Medium. Anyway, see you later.
Natural. Anyway, see you later.
Your turn. Answer after the pause.
Start small talk with, by the way.
Sample. By the way, how are you?
React with surprise.
Sample. Really? No way.
Say you don't know.
Sample. I'm not sure.
Agree politely.
Sample. I agree with you.
End the conversation.
Sample. Anyway, see you later.
Question 1. What does by the way do?
Answer. It changes the topic.
Question 2. What does no way mean?
Answer. Strong surprise.
Question 3. Complete that me.
Answer reminds.
Question 4. How do you politely show interest?
Answer sounds interesting.
Question 5. What does I'm not sure mean?
Answer you don't know.
Your mission today is have one small talk conversation.
Use these phrases. By the way.
Really?
Anyway.
Practice with a friend or record yourself.
And please.
Do not ask strangers about potatoes.
Lesson learned.
Great job today.
Welcome to B1 English.
Episode 17 will be about work and jobs.
See you next time.
Take care.